Hey guys, it's Emma and I'm back with another video. So today I decided, since it was raining too, I was like, I might as well just clean my room, do my updated room tour. And I figured I'd do this video because the last room tour I did was in January. So I have moved some stuff around and I've bought some new things. I'm super excited to show you guys. So make sure that you guys subscribe down below, give this video a like, and also, I just wanted to say I love getting Instagram DMs from you guys when you say that you came from YouTube. It means so much and I love it. So thank you to everyone that has already done that. So if you guys don't know my Instagram, I'll leave it linked down below. Let's just get right into this video. That's how you walk into my room. And this is just like an overview of my room. So the first thing that you see when you walk into my room is this closet. And so I'm going to open it up to show you guys. This is just my closet and I keep all my clothes in here. Then I put my skirts over here and then dress pants. And then I keep my jacket type things here. I keep t-shirts here and shoes, some hangers, and just a lot of my shoes. I keep an exercise ball in there. I have like Christmas things up here and just like medals and stuff from when I used to compete. So that is my closet. And then we're gonna move right along to this dresser. At the top I keep YouTube stuff, like a Blue Yeti microphone that I feel like every YouTuber has. I do it to like sing in the GarageBand thing on your Mac, but I will never post any of those. And then I have an old stand for the camera. And then I keep like my camera that I'm holding right now up here. And then in that drawer I literally have nothing. I have sports bras, socks, high knee socks, underwear, and some cute tank tops. And then I keep my fan here. Oh, we'll just move to the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I looked that up, but when you first walk in, so it's these two furry pink rugs, my bathrobe, a shower cap, and then I just keep my Vera Bradley door hanger thing. And I just keep like little bath shower things. This is really messy. And so this is my bathroom sink. And I just have a mirror. I have this. And then I just have like little things in here. Contact stuff. And then I got out my Marshmallow Pumpkin Spice Latte body lotion, I think, from Bath & Body Works. This reminds me of Halloween. They're just face masks. I have a mason jar full of my toothbrushes and toothpaste. And I just keep more skincare things and bath bombs. And yeah, so then back here, this thing is so good for the winter when it's super cold in here. You turn it on and it like heats up the place. Keep washcloths, random things, and some curling iron things. And moving right along, I have jewelry. Just random jewelry and a picture frame with me and my friends when we went to Mexico. I have some of that. Jewelry holder things that are Juicy Couture. More jewelry. And then I just keep like t-shirts, tank tops, and athletic shorts in here. And then I have a TV that I literally never use. I never have time to watch TV. And then I thought this was cute. I just did this. I keep my shoes in this Sephora makeup bag. And under this little cute metallic thing, I keep my Victoria's Secret jackets in there. And then right here I keep my ring light. That's how I filmed my intro that you guys just saw. But yeah, I like knocked it over doing one of the videos that like I never uploaded. And so it's crooked, as you can see. So that kind of sucks. Makes me so mad. Next is one of my favorites is my closet rack. And I keep just my colors that I love the most. Aesthetic. And it's light pink and like neutral browns and just neutral whites. Well, not neutral white, just white. And then I keep like other cute things in here, like skirts and stuff. And then I have pink things like velvet, fluffy, flowers, nude, and then bows. And I keep my purse here that's pink because pink is life. So yeah, that's my closet rack. And then is my mirror that lights up. I love it. So this is my makeup, and I've did a makeup collection before. Oh god, I just like fell on that thing. I've done a makeup collection before, so I can leave that in the down bar. But yeah, and then I just keep nail polish up here. Really cute. Keep more makeup in here, and then all these drawers. But like I said, I've done an in-depth video before, and that is just a little fluffy stool. So cute. And then over here, I have some Michael Kors purses. And then I keep some pictures from my vacation with my friends in Mexico. Okay, I miss it. And then I have a sign that says work hard, stay humble. And it has my audition numbers. And yeah, I just keep it there. And then I have in this drawer hoodies and sweatpants. This drawer I have more hoodies. I love that fluffy zip up. And then I keep my swimsuits and some leggings. This is just a display. And I love this. Look how rainy it is outside today. And then, oh, my camera's about to die. But yeah, this just says my name. That's my name. And some more trophies. And I keep in here school things like binders and too much stuff. And then I just have random stuff in there. And then, ooh, that looks kind of bad, but, and I have my guitar here. And then I have another mirror just to see what my outfit looks like. And I'm about to go to practice, so that's why I'm wearing these leggings and this juicy tank top. It just, they don't really match, but it's fine. And then we're gonna move along to my bed. It's so comfy and cozy. I love the quilt pattern on it. And then I just have a bunch of pillows. And yeah. Moving right along to my nightstands. Yeah, so in this drawer, I'll just keep like things to light my candles, my remote, makeup wipes, glasses. Because fall is here, I have my moonbeams on pumpkins. And then I always keep my buttercream up here. It smells so good. And that's my laptop. I got this pen and it's so cute. And then cute little displays like do more of what makes you happy and some flowers. This is where I film most of my intros. I have a picture of me and my dog right here. Sparkly E, some fairy lights. It says subscribe to me. And then I just have this cute little mirror. And I haven't put anything in this frame yet. And then I have another thing. This is from like senior year. That, I have a futon, and then I keep a fluffy comforter. And we're gonna move what's out here, which is my closet. So I just keep more of my stuff, like my t-shirts and tank tops and dirty clothes and shorts. There's that for you guys. Oops. And then one last thing. Some dresses and jeans, and I keep my Lululemons up here. And yeah, so that is my room tour. Oops, and my fluffy rug. That's about it for my room tour. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.